And here we have another question we're going to solve that has to do with longitude and latitude. The question says two places have the same longitude. Their latitudes are 20 degrees north and 40 degrees south. Calculate the great circle distance apart. Alright, here we want to look at the great distance apart. And before I go ahead, I want to thank all the subscribers and also the people that are coming new to this channel. We want to encourage you to subscribe and like. So in this case, I also want to tell you, as you are getting along here, at the end of this there will be another video that will help you to have detailed information about the calculation of parallel of latitudes. The parallel of latitudes, I will make sure I put a playlist of all the videos that will help you understand the questions that has to do with longitude and latitude. So let's go ahead. In this case, we have a question that I already read out before. So let's quickly look at it. Let's say we have the circle. This is the earth surface, and then we have the north, we have the south, west, and what? And east. So we say that they are their latitude, which means the latitude should be, this is latitude, meaning that the other one is 20. Let's say, assuming that is here 20 degree, and the second one is what? 40 degree. 40 degree. Now I said that you calculate the distance apart. Calculate the distance apart in the great circle. This is this distance here. So to actually get it means that since they are apart, this is the distance, and the angle that involve them here, that combine them or that unites them, is these two angles. So we're going to add it up. If we add up the angles, we have 40 plus 20, we have 60 degrees. So now, since it's been in great circle, they have the same meridian. That means this radius stands for the radius of the great of the earth. Radius of the earth, like I told you in a previous video, that radius for the great circles, all the radius, the radii, all the radius there stand for the same radius as the radius of the earth. So now let's quickly go down. So with using our formula, so what we have here is, we have theta stands for what? 60 over 3, 60 times 2 times 22. $60 over 360 times 2 times 2 over 1 over 7 times. So what we divide through, what we have is the distance is 704.8 kilogram as the final answer. Thank you so much for staying with us. We want to encourage you to make sure you stay back and watch the rest of this so that will help you understand the basics. Thank you so much.